We are totally slacking today in our video creation. We didn't even bring a... Sheila, you're gonna get run over. We didn't bring a camera. We're on cell phone. This just proves that you could do RV life and have a YouTube channel and just shoot on your cell phone.
I'm dressed in RV life attire today. I just thought we
were
were
slacking.
this little town, and
So
now...
we're gonna find out why the wall drug. I'm tired of seeing the signs. We've neglected to go the last time we were in South Dakota, but we're doing it right now. We're gonna see if it's worth it.
Yeah, the signs are everywhere.
They're everywhere. If you're heading to South Dakota, you're gonna see wall drug, and we're gonna tell you if it's worth it. Right now, this little town is full. It's like a parking lot. Wall, South Dakota is like a parking lot. Roll that intro and let's see what's going on. I sound like a used car salesman.
You did do that one.
I did, yeah, for a brief.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
I know, because that guy's been working.
So for fun, Sheila started sending postcards to the grandkids. That's such a Meemaw thing. So they can get a postcard. Nobody does that anymore.
Snail mail anymore.
Who does snail mail? Do you send? That's a great question. Do you guys send snail mail back to your kids or grandkids when you're on the road? Because it's kind of a cool, it's like a lost art form almost. Nobody hand writes anything anymore. It's all done on keyboard.
Well, they don't have email, so.
So they're getting, from Wall, South Dakota, they're getting a postcard. That's exciting for them, I think.
I don't know.
It's almost like they had a drugstore, and then through the course of time, they said, we're gonna buy every one of these different places and we're gonna expand. And they've just expanded and expanded.
Just walking down the middle of the street.
Well, yeah, this is what we do. This is switching it up. It's a green line. I just thought it would be good for us.
We do like the color green.
Actually, Sheila loved the color green. That's where the green came from. Okay, we got a saloon. We got outlet stores. Let's go in and see. I can smell donuts and you can get 5-cent coffee, according to the signs.
It's a clickbait.
I don't know if it's clickbait. This thing's pretty huge.
Well, 5-cent coffee might be.
Yeah, that's true. Glad you made it. 530 seating capacity. Oh boy, that's a cafe though.
Do you want to get lunch?
Yeah, we can eat, I guess. We're now an eating channel, apparently. Food reviews.
Hey, there's a jackalope corner.
Well, I've already done the jackalope. We've done that in Du Bois or Du Bois.
The boy.
Du Bois. I think that's the eatery, or is that the drug?
Homemade ice cream, so saith one of the books. Cafe.
Oh. Donuts.
And then do homemade pie.
What? How can you possibly keep expanding? So saith the sign. There's free ice water. I feel like this is like an overwhelming sensation of haphazardness. There's things everywhere, like everywhere. Now we're going into an art gallery.
I don't know.
And there's buffalo. And, yeah, there's like a door everywhere you turn. Buffalo. What's behind this door? Thank you. Oh my gosh. No, you would not expect to walk in to find another facade of another old. Of course there's a dinosaur. Why wouldn't there be a dinosaur? Look at the Native American history. This is cool. I like this. This is neat. This was like the first RV life, like right here. That's the first. Those are the true RV lifers, the beginning point.
Actually, I think these guys.
You think that? Oh yeah, we have the true. Yeah. You think they were the first? These were the first.
They just packed up their home and took it with them.
Those are the first RVers.
Yeah. Just didn't have wheels.
Theirs was only 1 horsepower on their pulling mechanisms. Oh, wow. But then later on, you know, as RV life, you know, started to evolve, you went into like 2 and 3 horsepower pulling machines. So then you had more room to start camping in here, roughing it a little. So there was stages. This one, you think you've seen something, you turn around and you're totally surprised again.
Would you like a shoe coin purse?
A shoe coin purse? That's so special.
No, you needed one.
I figured it out. I know what this feels like, Sheila. I figured out what this feels like. You know what this feels like?
Huh.
Vegas. Like when you go into a casino.
Have you seen a chapel?
Oh, wait, we're distracted. There is a chapel here. There's a chapel. Look at it. I did not expect any of this. This is like totally thrown off my whole concept of something. This is an event. This is an event that needs to be experienced. That's what Wall Drug has become for me. I will go back to, it feels like when you're in Vegas and you go in, you don't know what to expect, and everything is, things happening all around. There's different shops to go in and stuff. The only thing missing is booze and gambling. But who knows, that might be around the corner. No, you do not.
That's funny.
Did you see it because of the shirt?
No, well, I kind of saw you come around the corner, hold the phone. Usually YouTubers hold phones or cameras, right? Then I saw your hats, I said, no way. What are the odds of seeing you? So, Kansas City?
Kansas City.
All right,
Yeah. We got a Switch Crew supporter. Look at, there he is.
YouTubers, we love you.
That's pretty funny. Okay, we've went through all of the places. We looked at the museum. We drank the free water.
The art gallery.
We went to the art gallery. We looked at all of the things. We even ate a donut in the handmade pie and had their other, what was that? Roast beef sandwich. World famous.
No, it just says legendary.
Legendary. Well, it's about the same. Sheila, what is your final outcome? Should you stop at Wall Drug in South Dakota? Sheila, it just doesn't take that long to answer. Yes, I'm saying yes for her. There's a lot to do in there, from boots to hats to belt buckles to keychains to...
We found some Switch Crew. That was my favorite part.
Yes, so that was actually pretty fun.
But...
And we even learned, he even taught us some stuff about work camping. You can work camp at Wall Drug. Did you know that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, and they actually put you up in one of the RV parks. You stay for free and make money so you can continue traveling.
And then they're using that as their to domicile here.
Yes, and they domiciled in South Dakota. So there's all those things. Now we're gonna get run over, and we'll do that on camera. But
yes, I think that it's, you know, it's something to see at least once in your life.
okay, and now we're off to the Badlands,
Yes.
And,
It's just over there.
and I want to talk to you about boondocking too, where we're boondocking. I think we should do that as well. So those are the upcoming things.
Okay, that's a
We got a lot to do today.
National Park maps. Guess I should have been. Animals. There's some animals.
I see no animals.
Right there. You're gonna freaking jump out in front of the truck if you don't pay attention. It's a mangy looking thing.
It's hot. Is me. Nope. I'm not crying. How many people a year think die for doing just what you're doing? This is nice. Seems a little dry, considering we had all that rain yesterday. All right, we've been getting some questions regarding this boondocking location. I almost took off on my bike. And we thought it would be good to explain where it is. Where the entrance to actually the Badlands is about a mile up the road, right? And we're probably, 8 miles from Wall. So from Wall, South Dakota, on the main road into the Badlands. And then how many entrances?
We're in the what's called the grasslands area, and then there's 2 entrances. You want to look for the entrance with the cell towers.
Right, because there's 2 shower towers this way, and there's a big cell tower close to the road that you look for, like a little cattle gate. That's kind of the way I would describe it.
Yeah, I mean the road is bumpy getting back here.
Now, we were here when a rainstorm moved in last night. We had almost 60-mile-an-hour winds, and the road is a combination of like a rock and a dirt, and it wasn't good. We had a van lifer, couldn't get out. They were kind of stuck in the morning, and people are trying to figure out. And the other bad thing is leveling.
Leveling is a trick for sure, but I think there's several spots that are, good options.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to ride the ridge, and we might be able to see more of the areas up that way.
So if you're wanting to be where we're at, when you come in, the road will go like a T, and we're to the right, and there's like this big, huge cul-de-sac type area. And then you go the other way, and it goes back how many miles? Maybe?
I don't know.
Well, I guess we'll find out how many miles. We're going to take the bike and go and kind of go scout some stuff up so you can kind of see it, and then we'll kind of play it by ear from there. But we just thought we'd help you out if you're wanting to boondock at this amazing location.
Yeah, just on the edge of the Badlands. It's very pretty.
It is very pretty. Badlands are actually started right behind us. You can see it. You can actually be on the ridge up there and see our rig from the ridge in the Badlands. So that's kind of how close you are. It's continuation. So, ready for a ride?
Yep.
It's actually kind of gotten nice out. It's about mid-70s. The
If
wind.
It is
the
raining,
wind is
though,
strong here. Yeah.
If it's raining, I don't think I would come back here.
Yeah, I wouldn't come back. And then after the rain event, I would wait, because when the sun comes out and the wind comes up, this all evaporates fairly quickly. So there's your tip. All right, let's go see what we can do.
Okie doke.
If you're going to go left, just know the road is really bumpy and your spots are not real level. A lot of them are kind of at an angle.
So far, this Montana over here, looks like a pretty good spot.
Yeah, they got a really good spot. But anywhere you go, the view's gorgeous. It's just going to be really rougher in certain areas for sure, especially if you have a big rig like we do. All right, that concludes this boondocking experience from, where are we? What is it? Is there a name for this?
Yes, I think I've said it already. It's like the something grasslands.
Oh.
Something grasslands. Badlands grasslands? I don't know. Something.
We've come to the conclusion.
Buffalo Gap. That's where we are. Buffalo Gap.
Are we playing a game, like a charades game?
And I'm winning.
Yes.
Buffalo Gap.
So if you're coming from Wall, we believe the second entrance in, because there's two entrances. If you come the second entrance by the radio towers and then go to the right in this cul-de-sac area is where we're at. If you go to the left, it's bumpy. There's
Yes.
nice areas, but the road seemed a little different.
I mean, there's some beautiful spots.
You can't really go
Depends on
wrong.
what your rig is.
Yes. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this helps, because we had we had several people ask where this was and how we got here and stuff. So I think this was just a good knowledge type video. We got a little knowledge video.
Is that what this is?
She wasn't super entertained. Were you not entertained? Are you not entertained? We're off to our next adventure tomorrow, and we shall see you in a couple days.
Yes, couple days.
There's some big announcements coming. Big announcements. Let's just drop that right there, a little teaser. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I always have to say that. Do all the things. Okay, now we're out.